In calculation of median, first we need to draw the column. In your question, you will find a frequency distribution where in our question, this is our question, the following table shows classification of number of workers and number of hours they work in a software company. Find the median of the number of hours they work. First is daily number of hours, 8, and second is number of workers. So first one is 8 to 10, frequency is 150. Second is 10 to 12 and frequency is 500. Then 12 to 14, frequency is 300. 14 to 16, frequency is 50. So we will write this in a tabular form. So we will make a table which must have 3 columns. First one is class interval. Second column should be frequency. And third column should be cumulative frequency less than type. So here we have four intervals. So we will make 4 columns, or you can have 5 also for total. So you can put heading here. This is class interval, or you can write daily number of hours. So this is class interval. Next is frequency. And last column is cumulative frequency. Less than type. So these are 3 columns. In class interval, we will write given class 8 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 14, and 14 to 16. Frequencies are 150, 500, 300, and last one is 50. So this way we can fill these 2 columns. Last column is cumulative frequency less than type. So first frequency is 150, which I'll copy 150 here. Then in second column, I'll take total of this 500 and 150. So here we will take 150 from previous column plus this column has 500 as frequency, that we will substitute here. So this 500 plus 150 will give me 650. So we will write here 650. Then again in this column I'll take 650, and frequency from this column is 300. So I'll take 300, will give us 950. Again I'll take 950 for next column. I'll add a frequency from this column, that is 50. So 950 plus 50, that is 1000. So this is the way to calculate your cumulative frequency less than type. If you make total of this column, this frequency, it should be 1000. So sum of all the frequency is 1000. So these two numbers should be same. Cumulative frequency, last cumulative frequency, and sum of all the frequencies should be same. After calculating frequency, sum of all the frequencies and cumulative frequency, here we need to find out n. N is actually total number of frequency or cumulative frequency is denoted as n. So you can say all the frequencies or n, that is cumulative frequency, is 1000. Then we will divide it by 2. So that is n by 2. So here, therefore, n by 2. N by 2, that is 1000 upon 2. So this will be 500. So this is 500. So n by 2 is 500. Now we need to identify where is 500 or less than 500. So cumulative frequency which is just greater than or equal to 500 is 650. So this one, this column is called median class. This column is called median class. So here n by 2 is 500. So we will look for the 500 in cumulative frequency or just greater than 500. So this is median class. This one is median class. 10 to 12 is our median class. So here you will mention that 10 to 12 is median class. If 10 to 12 is median class, then we will find out all the values from median class. Now, if this one is median class, then your lower limit of the class interval is 10. Besides lower limit, we need frequency of this column. Frequency of this column is 500. So here we will take 500. And cumulative frequency we need. So cumulative frequency should be just above the median class. So this is our median class, and cumulative frequency should be taken just above the median class. So cumulative frequency we can take 150 for this case, and last we need height of the classes. So if you see the difference between upper limit and lower limit of any class is 2. 8 to 10, that is 2, difference is 2. 10 to 12, difference is 2. 12 to 14, difference is 2. 14 to 16, difference is 2. So height of the class would be 2. So these are the information which we required to find the median for this question. Now I'll write my formula to calculate median. So median is equals to L plus, that is lower limit, into bracket n by 2 minus cumulative frequency upon frequency, that is f. So this is our formula. Into h we can take here. So this is your formula to calculate median. Now we will substitute the value L, that is lower limit is 10, into bracket n by 2. So n by 2 is 500. So here I will take 500 minus cumulative frequency is 150. So here I will take 150 upon frequency. Frequency is 500. So here we will take 500. Bracket close, into height of the class. Height of the class is 2. Now we are going to simplify this. So I'll keep this 10 on its place. First I am going to solve this bracket. So when we solve this bracket, 500 minus 150. So I think we will left with 350. 350 upon, so here we have 350 upon 500. So here we can take 500 in denominator into 2, like this. Now 110 will cancel, 5 ones are, and 5 sevens are. Still we have 10 in denominator because this 0 is remaining. So you can take 0.7 here. So it will be 10 into 0.7 into 2. So these are the remaining numbers which we need to multiply to get our final answer. So here, first I'll multiply 10 and 0.7. So it will give me 7 into 2, that is 14. So my answer is, sorry, here we have plus sign, so we cannot multiply them. We forgot to take this plus. This is plus and this one is plus. So what I'll do, I'll just remove this part. Yes. Here we have plus sign and this is 500. So it was 10 plus 0.7 into 2. So first we will multiply 0.7 with 2. So keeping 10 on its place, 7 twos are 14. Decimal after one digit, so it will become 1.4. And 10 plus 1.4 will give me 11.4. So this is my final answer, 11.4 hours. Question was, find the median number of hours they work. So they work 14.4 hours. So this is median number of hours they work in the software company. So this is the procedure and this is your formula by which you can find out median.